Well, let's go to our reporter who's in the Northern Cape this morning. Slindelo Masikane is joining the Basic Education Minister, Angie Motshekga, and checking out how the vaccine drive is going in that province. Sli, thanks for joining us. You've been tracking the rollout with the Minister for several days now. How are things looking in the Northern Cape?
Good morning, eNCA. Yes, we found ourselves in Kimberley this morning, where we are expecting the Basic Education Minister, Angie Motshekga, who is on a drive to just check out exactly how the rollout is going in terms of the education sector. We are at the Newton Primary School here, and as you can see, vaccinations are already underway, where we have several of the staff and personnel within the sector who are seated and waiting to get vaccinated overnight. We do understand that the province has recorded some 131 cases in the past 24 hours, and they are looking at a cumulative number of around 58,663 infections. We do know that there was a lot of concern around the surge in infections here in the province, and we understand that following a statement yesterday that some 10 schools have had to shut down due to an outbreak of infections. And of course, with the winter break being brought forward, we will be seeing schools across the Northern Cape also shutting down for that winter break. The minister was due to arrive at around 9 a.m. this morning. It seems she is running a little bit late. However, we are expecting to just get an update with regards to how the rollout in the education sector is going, because we understand that at some point there was also a shortage of vaccines, where we know that in the province there's a target of around 16,000 educators and staff that need to be vaccinated. However, there's been some shortages in delivery, and that of course would be quite concerning. So I think we will be getting a clearer picture and an update with regards to whether there's a concern for a slow rollout in vaccinations.
Sli, before you go, I mean, by all accounts, it seems that the vaccination drive for educators has gone fairly well, but I understand there are some possible challenges in the Northern Cape.
Certainly so, and I think maybe that is why we are seeing the minister making her way here. Yesterday she was in the Free State, where she was quite happy with the rollout in that particular province, where they are due to finish up their vaccinations possibly this Friday. They are expecting their second batch of around 16,000 Johnson & Johnson jabs in the Free State today, and they're saying that at the pace that they're moving at, they certainly will be done vaccinating by this Friday. However, the issue now is just looking at across all the provinces in the country to see whether the education sector will be able to meet that target of vaccinating over 582,000 personnel by the 8th of July. And I think what will possibly also aid that target is the fact that schools will be closing a little bit early. But I think the minister, of course, will be giving us an update with regards to some of the challenges and what the department is doing in terms of vaccinations here in the Northern Cape.
Slindelo Masikane is in Kimberley with the Basic Education Minister, Angie Motshekga, following that educators' vaccination drive.